Hi, my name is Kainan Wang. I'm a System Applications Engineer from Analog Devices Automotive Cabin Experience Business Unit. We are at the Lattice Developer Conference today, showcasing our GMSL technology with Lattice FPGA solutions. GMSL, or Gigabit Multimedia Serial Link, is a highly configurable SerDes interconnect solution. It provides simultaneous transmission of real-time data, control, and power signal over a single wire. It has been widely adopted by automotive applications for over 20 years, and now is providing connectivity solutions in many adjacent markets for camera and display use cases. For camera applications, GMSL provides a power-efficient, cost-efficient, and form factor-efficient way to aggregate multiple cameras over distance. In this demo today, we are having 4 cameras here connecting to a GMSL deserializer board to SoC devices, and this configuration is what you'll find in many traditional applications. What we are also showing here is a GMSL camera connected to a deserializer board and connect to Lattice Holoscan Holoscan Sensor Bridge that has NVIDIA's IP. In this case, we are providing a new architecture that helps hardware developers and system architects to use our GMSL technology together with any system that doesn't have a direct MIPI interface. For more information on GMSL, please visit www.analog.com/GMSL.